Hello, this is Lindsay. Welcome to my quiet house, said sarcastically. But anyway, I'm out in the middle of my house, kind of where my craft room is, so there's a lot of noise and stuff going on. But I just wanted to quickly show you something new that I am offering that I think is super fun. And that is, well, let's see, that is this. And this is a back print for double-sided. When you purchase my kits, like my paper kit, my digital kits printed, so the lavender and lace, flamingo fancy, wisteria and roses, whatever one that you ordered, or my new one, the ugly duckling, when I print them out, the backs are just white presentation paper. And yeah, you could, stencil or whatever, but it is printed on an inkjet printer most of the time. And so coffee dyeing it is not really an option. I tried that and it failed miserably. So I am offering a double-sided print. So here, it won't say Nevermore Creations back print for double-sided selection, but it is this really neat vintage looking grunged up envelope from Avalon Rose Design. And then I layered that with some script from Digital Curio, and it is just light, it is vintage, it is pretty, and that will just print on the backs of all of them. Hopefully in the future I'll have a couple different choices for you to choose from, but this will just kind of give you that really pretty light vintage look. And yeah, so I just thought that would be fun. Though, I don't know if I want to do like script and no script. I just thought of that because it might just be too much script. So I think that I will offer, you can either have it, the script or no script. But yeah, so I'm working on that right now. If I come back to here, I'm working through my printed digital kits. My boys are playing video games. That's why you hear them in the background. But so Ocean Music is my next one. So as I go over here to edit it, what I'm going to do is add a photo and then add that back image so you guys can see what that is. And then as I come down here, I'm going to add in here that double-sided is added, and then down here I'm going to add variations and choose a variation type. I'm going to create a new variation. I'm going to name the variation sided because I'm super imaginative like that. And then I'm going to say single-sided. I'm trying to do this one hand, so hopefully I don't mess up. Or double-sided. Okay, and then prices vary for each. Save and continue. Now the single-sided was $7.99, so I am continuing to keep, whoop, sorry, my hand is, I'm keeping that at $7.99. Double-sided, I'm not going to double the cost just because I don't want to, overcharge you. So we'll just do a little less than that half, and then publish, and it will be set and ready to go. Though, yeah, let's go back over here, just like I was telling you. I'm going to hide that text. I'm going to take off the handwriting and just leave this really beautiful, oh, hi. So a little buddy came to see me. You saw him in a video before. Yeah, you want me to turn your tablet on? Okay. So let me pause this and I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. So this is, put that text back on. There we go. And then I'm going to save as. No, I don't have to show you all this, but just hanging out with you guys, showing you what I'm working on and how I do it. So I'm going to call this back to, because I'm imaginative like that. Save it in my downloads. Save. And then when we come back here, all right, let's go back to the Ocean Music one that we were working on, and we're going to add that blank one. Okay. And then while that's uploading, I'm going to go down here to the variations, edit variation, and here where I have, I'm going to take away double-sided, and we're going to name the option double sided, well, not doubled, double sided with script. But I think I went, did I go too long? And then add, nope, that's too long. So we're going to say double-sided script, add, or just double-sided, can't type with one hand, double-sided, what should I call it? Double-sided script, double-sided plain. I just don't want you to think it's, maybe I can say no script. Double-sided, no script. And that's too big, so does that make sense? Sorry, I'm in my own head and I'm just recording away. Double-sided, no script. I can't fit enough. Double-sided script, double-sided, no script, single-sided. Hopefully that makes sense to everybody. When I update that, these are both going to be the same price. There we go. Hopefully that will help everybody. All right, so I'm just going to go through here now. I'm on to my... well, probably not that one. I'm not going to do it for all of them, but like the kits, like the postage due, we're going to edit and do the same thing for that. So I will see all of you in the next video. This was just a random little thing to let you know what I was working on and what is now available. I hope you check out my new kit, the Ugly Duckling. That one was super fun. And actually, while I'm at it and wasting your time, why don't I open up this folder and show you some of this goodness. I showed you the preview, yes. I showed you it before in a journal, but here's the actual pages. And I just think that that background, so you don't have that white background, is just going to be so beautiful on these Ugly Duckling pages. So here's just a few of them, but they're definitely gorgeous. So, yeah. All right. I will see you all in the next video.